I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to find your Steam friend code in the Steam mobile app. Step 1. Open the Steam mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture on your home screen. Your Steam profile screen opens. Step 3. Tap Add Friends. The community screen is displayed. Step 4. Navigate to the Your Friend Code section where you'll see your Steam friend code displayed. This is where you can copy your Steam friend code and give it to someone else so they can easily add you as a friend, or you can plug in someone else's Steam friend code to quickly add them. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.